product research, which arguably is a lot more kind of complex and a lot more nuanced, okay? So step 2, here I've got a little note, top selling stores. So there is a wonderful little website, we'll put it up on the screen right here, called Market Pulse. And on Market Pulse, you can see the top 100 Etsy stores by sales volume. So this is an absolutely wonderful website, and I'm going to be mentioning this website multiple times throughout this video. And in business, you really want to understand your competition, okay? If you understand your competition, you know where you can improve on them, and you know exactly what they're doing. So if you're a beginner right now, obviously, continue watching this video, and I'm going to talk more about actually how to find winning products. And I'm going to give you a product research method actually as well. But understand these big stores, understand the product niches they're in, right? If you look at the top 100 stores, you'll see that there's a lot of jewelry stores. You'll see there's home goods stores. You'll see there's like seed stores and gardening kind of stores. You'll see there's, I don't know, you'll see the categories of the stores, right? But what you won't see is a camera store. What you won't see is a microphone store. So, okay, we can't sell cameras, we can't sell microphones. So that's the number one thing, right? If just by copying and just understanding the market more, you're always gonna succeed. Okay, so product research. Let's be practical and let's actually give you a product research method that will work and will work forever, okay? Forever. This is a very good product research method. So what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to go onto Etsy, and you are going to want to find a particular product that is a best seller. So what we've done here is we've gone to the handbag section on Etsy, and we're going to go to all filters here on the left hand side, and then we're going to put the price as low as 25, high as 150, right? And then we're going to select star seller. Okay, once you've selected star seller, we're going to click apply in the bottom left, and then in the top of the URL, okay, so the URL where it goes www.etsy.com/bags and purses, blah, blah, blah. Where it says star_seller, you're going to change it to star, you're going to change the word star to best, B-E-S-T, okay? And then you're going to press enter. So what you've done here, this will just show you the best sellers of the entire thing. Like every single item you're looking at right now will be a best seller, okay? So we're gonna open up a couple different items right here, and I'm gonna show you a little bit more about this, okay? So by the way, what I was talking about is that you see how every product's got this little bestseller badge. This item has had a high sales volume over the past 6 months. So is this item, so is this item, so is this item, okay? So what we're doing right here is we are looking at products. Okay, so this is product research method, okay? I don't want to lose you guys, but this is product research, right? So we are looking at the products that are succeeding on Etsy. We don't necessarily know if we can find these products, but we know that we can like look at these products and understand that these ones are doing well. Now you can see this one right here has got 311 reviews, a lot of reviews. This one's got 4, not so many, but this still is a very cool little product. This one's got, I don't know, 92 products, 92 right down there. This one's got 85. There is a lot of products right here that we can potentially sell and we can potentially use. So what we're gonna do is, you can see, wow, okay, look, here is a perfect product. You see that? That was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 products, okay? So what we've seen down here is, if you guys can look in this, look, dispatches from China. Do you see that? So the bottom there, it says dispatches from China. So this product we know we can steal and we can sell. It's already doing well, it's already a bestseller. So this is a product we can sell. So this is an example of a product, but I'm also gonna show you, let's say you don't find one, you don't get lucky like me and you found one, dispatches from China, right? Let's just go back and let me show you some stuff, okay? So I'm gonna put a link in the description to a tool called Search Image by AliExpress, okay? So you can use this tool to search through products and find them on AliExpress, okay? So in this particular situation, I've already downloaded it and it's here, search goods on AliExpress by this image. We're gonna click this particular tool and we're gonna see if these items come up on AliExpress. So basically a quick recap of what I'm doing is I've gone to handbags, I've entered star seller, I've changed the word star in the URL to best. I then opened up 10 different listings on Etsy, I have to open up 10 of these listings that have shown up here for the handbags niche. Doesn't have to be handbags, it can be anything. And I've then right-clicked on every single one of them and used the tool called Search Goods on AliExpress by this image. And I am now searching the goods using AliExpress by this image. And this way I'm going to be able to find a product that is actually available in China, okay? But is it a bestseller on Etsy, okay? So AliExpress is a Chinese website. So I'm searching on a Chinese website using this special tool for products that are available on Etsy, okay? So they're selling on Etsy, but they're available in China, okay? Just want to make that as clear as possible for everyone. Okay, so let's see if that search came back with anything. Okay, so there we go. So what has happened right here is you see this product right here. We have opened this up. We've opened this product up, and then we've opened it up in AliExpress, which is this one right here. And we can see the photos are literally directly on AliExpress. Okay, so we're not going to worry too much about the pricing. We'll come back to how the pricing works and all this kind of stuff. We just want to check that it is available in China, and it is available in China. Okay, so this is the same case for a lot of different products on the Etsy platform. Even like, let's see, there'll be another one here. We'll find another one just to prove to you guys it's not a fluke. There we go. So we found this product, which is a bestseller. Actually has a lot of reviews, so better than the other product that had no reviews currently. And we can see here, it dispatches from Hong Kong. There we go. We literally just searched for 10 products and we found 2 that came from China, directly from China, by the way, openly shipping from China. And we see right here, long shipping times. I'm filming this at the end of October right now. And we can also see that, I mean, the description looks very shit in Chinese. But anyways, we can see that it's available on AliExpress, a couple of different variations. This one looks basically exactly the same thing. And this has got a very nice margin on it as well, £137, £137. This €57 right here with quick shipping as well. They're doing decent margins, and we can definitely get it a lot cheaper than this as well. So there you go. We found a couple different products, super practical, super simple product research method that I've just given you right there. The most important thing with product research is understanding the market, because we've just searched through these couple of bags, and let's say that woven one, the coffee colored woven one, that was £140. If you understand which bags are hip and which bags are hot selling right now, you're able to actually find unique items on AliExpress, on Taobao, on Alibaba, on 1688. All of these are Chinese websites. And you're able to bring them to the platform. That's the most valuable thing out there, right? Bringing items to the platform. Because if you bring them to the platform, you're gonna have less bans and less issues, and you're gonna make more cash. Because what we're doing here is we're stealing items from someone else. So let's say they're making 1,000 orders a month. We're gonna steal it. Maybe we're gonna take 10%. Maybe we're gonna undercut them, or change the photos, or change the offer, or do faster shipping. And we're gonna change it slightly. And maybe we're gonna be able to make 100 orders a month. But to make the 1,000 orders a month, we need to be bringing products to the platform. So what I would do in this particular situation is, if you're a beginner, steal products. It does work. I've just shown you how to do it. Steal products, okay? Doesn't have to be handbags, but steal products. I've shown you a very manual, very easy method. Do it, okay? Simple as. Just do it. It will work for you. But then once you get a little bit further on, maybe once you're at 50 orders, 60 orders, 100 orders, start finding products off platform that you can bring to the platform. That's going to be the most valuable thing for you, okay? Bring things to the platform, okay? So that's product research. I'm not going to long it out. I'm not going to make it the most confusing thing in the world, but product research, that works right there.